Hey there, welcome back to another drawing video. I'm Mark. Today I'll be drawing Blooper from Super Mario. All you need for this drawing is a sheet of paper, a black Sharpie, and some colored markers. Please smash that like button right now and click the notification bell because I do videos every weekday and you don't want to miss any one of them. Okay, in the center of my page, we're going to start out with the eyes. So we're going to do a rectangular shape that comes across like this, and it's going to be curved on the sides like that, and then we're going to join those together like this. Then on the left side we'll draw a circle that comes close to the edges, and we'll do the same on the other side. Try to draw these about the same size. Then inside of each of these, we'll draw a smaller circle. And another on the right. And we'll just fill those in with black. Draw a curve from the left side. So we're gonna come just below this corner, and we're gonna come and curve this, and we're gonna end in the center. So if you draw an imaginary line in between those two eyes, somewhere about here. So we're gonna come and curve this and meet right about here. And then I'll do the same. We'll come down on this side and we'll curve that. We'll try to make these symmetrical. Now, right where the eye is, right about here, if you come up a little bit and go over, right about here, we're gonna come out to the left, and then we're gonna bend that quickly like this. Now this is gonna be wider here and narrower at the top. So we're gonna end right about here. Now we can go and connect these like this. And then I'll do the same on this side. We'll come out and then we'll join that other side. Let's draw where the center of our hanging legs are gonna be. So come down from the center, and we're gonna leave some space at the bottom of our page for the legs. So I'm gonna stop right about here. And what I'll do is I'll draw a curve to the left, and then I'll draw another curve to the right, like that. So it's almost like a V shape that's upside down. Now we're gonna wanna have this come down, and then we're gonna do another V. So we'll round this, and we're gonna go in between here. We wanna be about halfway. So right about here, we'll come up with this tentacle, and then we're gonna come down, and then this will be a curve. You wanna try to make this a continuous curve, like this. And then as you get down here, we can kind of round that, okay? So let's try to do the same on the other side. So we'll put this point right about here, and then I'm just gonna try to draw the same on the other side, like that. And then I'm gonna come down right about here, and then this tentacle will curve right into this shape like that. Okay, now we'll have a shape on the left side here that'll curve out, and then this will round, and this will come back in, and we'll do the same on the right side. And if you have a thinner marker, I'm gonna go and just draw a little shape around the eyes, and that's it. So I'm gonna go and use my markers and color in Blooper. Well, I hope you had a lot of fun drawing Blooper with me from Super Mario. If you did, why don't you check out some of these other cool drawing videos I have over here, and subscribe to my channel. Like it as well, why not? You're already there. And that's all I got, so I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.